Hey guys, this is a public service announcement. If you guys have an Acura MDX from 22 and up, for some reason, this is a known issue from the factory. They have added some type of chemical or coating to their water bottle. So the windshield washer fluid bottle, they added a special coating to it, and that coating tends to gelify. It becomes like a gel, and it clogs your sprinklers for the windshield washer fluid. So they want to charge you $500 to remove the tank, clean it out, and fix it for you, or replace the motor. If you can hear the motor working, that means the pump is working. It's just clogged with that jelly stuff. So what you have to do is you want to drain out your tank. So I took this little piece of PVC tubing and I drained all the water out of the tank. And then I added very hot water to it, not like boiling hot, but tap water hot as you can get it. And I added hot water to it and soapy water. If you have one of those bottle cleaners, the little brush cleaners, you can stick it in there and just kind of, put it in and scrape some of that stuff, because the gel tends to stick to the sides of your container. So instead of going to Acura and having them charge you $500 for a known issue, it is a known issue to them. They don't care. Just take yourself, drain the water out of it by getting a little tube, just like this one. You're gonna siphon the water out. When it's fully drained, you're gonna add a couple ounces or just 1 ounce of the liquid detergent. In this case, I just used some of this stuff. I'm not gonna say the name, but it's just dish soap. I used some of that with some hot water, and now the sprinklers or the windshield washer little sprayers are working fine. If you notice that your sprayers are getting a little bit kind of, they're spurty a little bit, don't fret. This is the time to do it. You want to do it as soon as you can. So as soon as you watch this video, even if you haven't had any problems with it yet, they're going to tell you that, oh, you used the wrong windshield washer fluid. But you don't want to be tied to their particular washer fluid. What if you want to use your own? What if you just want to use water? Well, that coating is going to solidify, become a gel, and it's not going to let the water go through. But easy fix, just rinse it out with some warm water and soapy water, and it will fix it. Good. You can also take a hose and stick it into the windshield washer tank and just kind of let it run to clean all that junk out of it. So you might have to do this a couple times. You might have to rinse it out like this, empty it out, put that new water in, put the hot water also, and just rinse it out so that it really gets all that junk out. And if, like I said before, if you have one of those brushes, you can stick it in there, clean it out real good, and try to get as much of that stuff as you can, all right? So that way it doesn't clog your motors again. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.